Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. And firstly, very thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for watching a such type of video of total syllabus of science of 10th class Maharashtra State Board. Look here. Now we study the topic of start the one topic of types of chemical reaction. Before this topic, which you know here in my previous videos, we start one chapter chemical reactions and equation. And in starting videos, we study that is what is chemical reaction, definition of chemical reaction, then definition of chemical equation, then writing of chemical equation and balancing the chemical equation. Today we start one topic of types of chemical reaction. You know here that is a substances take a part in reaction, they are called reactants, and substances produced during chemical reaction, they are called products. But important point is that look here, depend upon the number of reactants and products, depend upon the number of reactants and products here and nature of reactants and product, there are mainly four types of chemical reaction. Look here, depends upon nature and number of reactants and products, number of reactants and products, there are mainly four types of chemical reactions. There are mainly four types of chemical reactions. Depend upon the nature of reactant and product and depend upon the number of reactants and product. There are mainly four types of chemical reaction. Which are these four types of chemical reaction? Look here, combination reaction, then decomposition reaction, then displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Look here, which are these four types of chemical reaction? First, combination reaction, second, decomposition reaction, then displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. There are mainly four types of chemical reaction. Depend upon the number of reactant and product and nature of reactant and product. Look here, that is a combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Dear student, today we study what is combination reaction and just some examples of combination reaction here. We study the combination reaction and some examples of combination reaction. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन आणि त्याचे काही एक्झाम्पल्स पाहणार आहोत. लुक हियर, अप फर्स्ट combination reaction. What is in my combination reaction there? What is in my combination? Combination means to be combined, to be add. To be combined म्हणजे एकत्र येणे. आणि एकत्र केव्हा येतो? इफ देयर आर नंबर ऑफ. जर नंबर ऑफ असतील तरच ते एकत्र येते. मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टंट्स टेकन पार्ट इन दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन and it gets converted into a single product. Means for example, there is one group of 50 student. 50 विद्यार्थी एकत्र आले आणि आपण म्हणू की एक 10वा वर्ग तयार झाला. 50 स्टुडंट कलेक्ट टुगेदर अँड फॉर्म्स अ 110 क्लास. आपण असं म्हणू की 50 विद्यार्थ्यांचा एक दाबा वर्ग, असं नाही म्हणणार आपण की 50 विद्यार्थ्यांचे 50 दाबे वर्ग. 50 students collect together to be combined and forms a one class. Means here just number of reactants gets combined to forms a single product, and that is called combination reaction. Look here, for example, A plus B, two reactants are there. A is a one reactant, B is a one reactant. Here we use the plus sign between two reactants. There is a arrow between reactant and product. A plus B. What is the meaning of plus here? They gets combined together. A plus B, that gives AB. That gives AB. Means two reactant gets converted into single product. Here two reactants and here single product. Two reactant gets converted into single product. Three reactants gets converted into single product. 4 reactant gets converted into single product. Means that is called a combination reaction. Here you know what is the definition of combination reaction. But before this, we study the definition. Dear student, it is necessary to understand example firstly. Then you should naturally draw the definition. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला अगोदर एक्झाम्पल समजले गरजेचे आहे, आणि जर तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल समजले तर तुम्ही ती डेफिनेशन स्वतःहून करू शकता. तुम्ही यामध्ये इथे सांगू शकता की या एक्झाम्पल वरून व्हॉट इज अ डेफिनेशन ऑफ दॅट कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. वी टेक वन एक्झाम्पल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हियर example, one process is there, heat is given, or one process is there when heat is given to magnesium in presence of air, it react with oxygen, forms magnesium oxide. Look here, how many reactants are there? One, that is a magnesium metal, and secondly that is oxygen. That is two reactants are there, magnesium metal and oxygen. And how many products are there? That forms only one product, that is magnesium oxide. Means in this way, that is one chemical process. ये chemical process आहे. And look here, we can write a balanced chemical equation of this process. Look here, what is the symbol of magnesium? You know here what is chemical equation? That is representation of chemical reaction by using molecular formulas and symbols of reactants and product. That is called a chemical equation. We can write a chemical equation of this process here. You know magnesium, that is twice Mg. Oxygen gas we represent by O2. Twice Mg plus O2. We represent the heat on arrow. That single product is there, 2MgO. Dear student, how many reactants are here? Here two reactants. Which are these two reactants? That is magnesium and oxygen. Two reactants gets combined together by heating, forms how many product? That is single product. What is the single product? That is 2MgO, means magnesium oxide. That is combination reaction. That is the example of combination reaction. Look here, second example, when ammonia react with hydrochloric acid. When ammonia react with hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid forms ammonium chloride, there is one again process here. Then how here reactants are ammonia and HCl, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen chloride, that forms one single product, that is ammonium chloride. Means equation is there, NH3 plus HCl, that gives NH4Cl. Look here, two reactants are there, ammonia and acid. It gets converted into single product, that is NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. Dear students, these are the examples of combination reaction, and that is called combination reaction. When two or more reactants combines to form a single product, this chemical reaction is called a combination reaction. What is a definition of combination reaction? What is definition of combination reaction? According to these examples, definition of combination reaction. What is definition of combination reaction? फ्रॉम दिस एक्झाम्पल, या एक्झाम्पल वरून विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या एक्झाम्पल्स वरून आपण कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शनची डेफिनेशन करू शकतो. यू नो, when two or more reactants combines to form single product is called combination reaction. And that is the definition of combination reaction. Means in this way, here dear student, we study the types of chemical reaction and definition and examples of combination reaction. In my next video, we study the decomposition reaction. And look here, just understand carefully and write a notes in your notebook. Thanks.